Good. All right, stop you here. Now we're going to put a little bit of turn in. I think that's good. Okay, we're going to be coming off a rock. Good control. Hold that line. Nope, hold the line where we had it. Remember, don't turn the wheel unless I direct you to. Don't move until I direct you to. Wheel position is good. Let's continue forward. All right, coming off a rock. There you go. All right, good. Now, I'm going to stop you there. We're going to come to center. I'm going to ease forward a little bit. Good. Good. All right, we'll stop there. We're going to put some turn in. That should be good. Let's continue. Good. 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 Good.